What it is, what's popping, what's good, what's happening. How y'all doing today, man? Thank you for joining the Average Guy YouTube channel, where I do all the average things that average guys does. It's a great Friday morning or afternoon or evening, wherever you at, drinking my little morning Joe. I got a quick unboxing for you guys today. This is a video for the car. So this is going to be a car video for my Dodge Challenger 2015 3.6 V6 sport package, yada 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 Challenger. So I've been wanting to get this part for a while now. Whenever I upload this video, Black Friday happened a couple days ago, specifically Cyber Monday. So I got this device, which is the Tazer from Automotive, for the car, which I've been wanting to get for a long time. I just, money-wise, I didn't want to do it at the time. I just wanted to spend money on other parts of the car, or other things, shoes, yada yada yada, whatever. So I finally bit the bullet and got it. So they had a sale going on where you got the Tazer for about, I'm thinking it was about like $250 or something like that. But additionally to that, you got the aux buttons, 3 aux buttons and a steering wheel for free, and it's a $45 value. Is it really worth $45 in real life? Probably not, but hey, it is what it is at the deal that they were getting. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of it. Before we even start, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Let me know what y'all think. So I'm gonna unbox and show it to you guys real quick. There's a whole bunch of videos of this, so I'm gonna do probably a little video of the install, me putting it in, the features that I like, how I set it up, and just that. So I'm trying not to make this too long of a video, but y'all know what it is. Oh sure, I got my address in there. Oh, whatever, I ain't gonna pull up, which I'm gonna do my gun video pretty soon. So if I do want to pull up, y'all know what time it is. Get my little knife here. Open this. I might fast forward this part because yeah. Packaging is okay. They got this in a box. So here goes one, which looks like it was open, but whatever. So we got one package here. Here's the other package here. So I'm assuming the Tasers are here and the aux buttons in there. Let's see if there's anything else in the package. Oh, this is they got the little shipping label. So this is how the box looks. Look like they got the honeycomb thing going on over there. Automotive. If I'm not mistaken, these guys are in somewhere in the South. Y'all could correct me if I'm wrong. But here goes the other box. Nothing on the side. But this one has something on the side. This one doesn't. Well, it does, but it gives everybody some kind of says Tazer. So let's open up the first one. Oh, my bad, y'all. What's going on the inside of the box, what they got going on. So here goes the 3 aux buttons. So what these are good for, so let's say you want to designate the light show or any of the features that the Automotive or the Tazer unlocks for you. You could designate a button for it, so you don't have to go through the menu to look for it. You just hit that button, boom, it pops up. So that's what this for. I didn't really need it. I really would prefer having a discount on the Tazer that way, but that's not what they had. So this makes it convenient, but I didn't mind going through whatever for it. Here's the box with the Tazer. They got it all wrapped up. There we go. I like the packaging. They got on the back here, you can see they got the Jeep, the Ram, the Charger, and the Challenger on here. I don't know if they do anything else for any other car brands. It looks like it's just for the Jeep. So they got the USB cable, so when you do your updates or whatnot. And here it goes, man. Here's the actual, come on, focus, Tazer. There you go. Goes into your the little plug-in in the bottom. Usually, your mechanics will plug that in there to see any diagnostic or issues with your car if you got an engine light or something like that. The name is slipping my mind right now, but y'all could let me know in the comments. So yeah, man. So this would be done for this first part of the video. I'm going to install this, do whatever I need to do. I don't know if I need to update it first or if it already comes updated, but I'll go through all that jazz, and we go from there. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Yeah. What it is, we back at it again. So I did some work. I installed the Tazer on the car. Did some of the marrying, selected some of the options that I want. I started the car over. So I'm about to go in and kind of see what some of the features. I had to go back and forth, look on YouTube, read the manual, and actually go on Z Automotive website to just make sure I did everything correctly. I think I did. I'm already seeing some of the features as is. So this is how Xena is looking right now. I'm thinking about taking these stripes out. I've had it for about 3 years right now, and it makes the car looks really good, really aggressive. I used to have red stripes, which I'm kind of going to talk about it a little bit later before I take it off. But I did damage it because I got this new power pressure thing that is up there to wash the car with, so I had it up a little bit too high, so it looks like it damaged the vinyl, which I was planning on taking out anyways. So here it goes down there where it is. It's kind of dark, sorry about that, guys, but as you can see, it connects in the OBD2 sensor down there. So if you can see, it is, where you at? Right, nope, right there. You can see it right there where it's flashing red right there. So I got everything on. There's a couple things that I want to change. It's kind of hard filming this and also doing the changes because you gotta hold this back button here as well as the cancel button in order for you to go through the functionalities, but there's so many videos already, like I said, on YouTube that you could go through and look and check out and see all the different options. But yeah, man, so I'm going to do some more testing. I'm about to go to the gym, do workout. Probably do a test drive to just make sure. One of the features that I like that I put on is having the it automatically start up with sport mode. There was some other stuff on there too. I kind of left on auto. Don't know yet. I'll probably play it around with it. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna just go play around with it, do a couple test drives, see what it is, and then we're gonna call it a day. Yup. What it is, what's good? We back at it again. We about to do a quick run with the Tazer with all the options I got done in the car. I'm gonna put you guys in the car in the drive. I kind of let you know exactly everything that we've done, some of the options that I've chosen. I'm not gonna go down to the nitty-gritty with everything, but just kind of give you a brief overview. One thing that I did do is put the automatic. When I start the car, it goes straight into sport mode. So I'm gonna put you guys in the back so you guys could listen to how it sounds and see if it makes any sound difference. This is definitely a cold start. The car hasn't been starting in a while, so it's probably gonna be loud. So let's see. Yeet. first thing that happened, I did select for the car to start automatically on sport mode, and it didn't. So I don't know. So I'm going to have to go back in the settings to see exactly what's good, and it looks like my paddle shifters are not on as well. So I don't understand. When I put my sport on the performance page, I don't know why it doesn't give me the little flag, and it looks like my sport button is not coming on when I hit sport. So I don't know, guys. I think something's not right. Well, let's just go drive around and see what's going on exactly. But I don't understand why it's not working the way it should. Some of the features that take is the font change. That did register. So my fonts right now is the SRT fonts. I don't think I've done a video with inside the cabin noise as well since I did my new setup for my wheels. So I don't know how it's picking up on the phone. But not my wheels, the mufflers. Right now, if you haven't seen my some of my previous video, my mufflers, I have I took out the stock resonator, the muffler. I have high flow cats, an X pipe. Took out the factory X pipe, which is not really an X pipe. I guess it works. I guess it's on sport mode. I don't know. Put in MagnaFlow X pipes, 2 super
South Rocky River Road.
Masters. No muffler in the back, and I have 2 quad tips. They're about 3.5 inch each. So that's my setup right now, which I'm very satisfied with. So on the upper, where you usually get like the little flag for sport mode, right now it says sport. It says the word sport. Now I don't know if that's how the Scat Packs and 392s, the Hellcats, the Demons, that's how it comes up. So I don't have a flag. I have the word sport. So y'all can correct me in the comments for y'all Scat Packs, 392, Hellcat, Demon owners, if that's how it is. So maybe the RTs and the SXCs, the GTs, the SC. Well, I don't know the SCs. SCs don't get sport mode. Maybe we get the flags. Oh, another thing too that's pretty unique. So it highlights what drive mode I'm in. Alright, so I'm going to drive around. I'm about to drive to the spot, and then I'll pick it up when we do the new 0 to 60s. Alright? Holla at your boy. Yeet. So I'm at the spot where I use right now. So it's a industrial plaza here in Charlotte that hasn't been... I guess this part hasn't been sold. So we got some businesses around here. Back there, you can see 3M have a corporate center here. So we're about to try to do what it do. I'm gonna play around with some of the options. One thing that I've noticed, like I said, my sport mode doesn't come on down here, but it looks like if I go into performance pages and I hit sport, it automatically shows sport mode, sport up there, and attraction, all that jazz. If I hit track, it says track up top. I don't know why it says right here that the level is currently unable to change. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's because of my car. Is there an option that I need to do? As you can see, Let me see if I do custom. Let's go back. What if I were to do track, track, and track? It says my traction can't, but even though if it's selected here, it's showing that it can't be changed. So y'all can let me know in the see, it says sport, sport, sport here, but it has my steering as track in sport. But what if I just want it to be in sport? So here go track, levels enabled to the sport selection. Okay. So I guess you can't change it. Sport setup. So yeah, guys, I don't know. Those options are not 100. For some reason, my shift light is not letting me do it either as well. So yeah, man. I'm gonna play around. So I don't know what that means. I don't know if there's an option that I did or whatever. Here go eco. So eco works. So I don't know. I know you go valet. No, I don't want to do that because you gotta put in. You gotta put in the code for valet. Yeah, it's like my pages. So yeah, so I'm gonna do 0 to 60s. I had top speed 66. What? Not necessarily. So my lap times. So these are all the different options that I have right now. Braking distance. That's a quarter mile. 0 to 100, what I'm never going to do. That's a 0 to 60. That's going to do for today's video. Got the Tazer. I really wanted to see. I do feel a difference in track. I do feel a difference in sport. My sport button is not working. So there's a couple things that are kind of weird. Different. I just got to learn the system some more. But yeah, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining the Average Guy channel. There will be some more videos with some of the features. The next thing I'm going to test out is the paddle shifters I got installed. See if they work. All that good stuff. But once again, treat other people as you want to be treated. Just live your life, man. Just live your life, man. Do what you can and the means that you can do it with the money that you have. Don't try to please others. Just do whatever you need to do to make you happy, not for other people. God bless. I'll see y'all later. Peace.